When your AC stops working, just call the experts at KS Services Heating and Air. They're fast and affordable. Right now, purchase any Bryant energy efficient system and save with 0% interest for 60 months with approved credit. It comes included with a 5-year labor warranty. And our fair price guarantee means that we will always give you 3 quotes for every situation. A good, better, and best. Call KS Services Heating and Air today. We roll on, whatever it takes.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. It's the morning edition for Wednesday, the 13th of September. I'm James Spann. Clouds linger across the northern half of the state today. South Alabama in sunshine, maybe a few scattered showers, but the weekend warmer and drier. And what's the deal with Jose? Let's go in there and check it out early this morning. Water vapor satellite view. Big circulation here across the southeastern states that used to be Irma. And that's going to keep clouds wrapped in here, although we might see a bit of sun if you're in North Alabama. Another cool morning, upper 50s and low 60s. Many spots again yesterday established a new record low maximum. That's 2 in a row for that. And again today we stay well below average. Highs in the low 70s. That's more than 10 degrees below average. Around the nation, there's the watch warning map. Pretty quiet this morning. Do I see winter weather advisories in Montana? Those counties up there in purple. I think that's what that is. That's a sign of the times. No severe weather expected around the nation today. And the rain for the next 7 days, not much for North Alabama. Rain amount should be generally under 1/4 of an inch between now and Wednesday of next week. An upper high begins to build in late this weekend over the weekend. And down south, yes, there'll be a few scattered showers and storms on the Gulf Coast, but nothing widespread, no washout. Very typical for September. Check the weather in the tropics. The only system on the board is Jose. That's well east of the Bahamas, well north of Puerto Rico. Jose looking a little lopsided this morning because of shear. It's a minimal hurricane, top wind 75 miles an hour. Here's the forecast track from the Hurricane Center. They suggest that this will do the loop and then turn north and then northeast, weakening with time, becoming a tropical storm this weekend. And by Sunday night, it should be somewhere between the Outer Banks and the island of Bermuda. But there's a little uncertainty creeping in here. Look at the tropical models. Getting some noise now in these. We've got some interesting possibilities. Most still recurve it. A few try and bend it back toward the east coast of the United States. And let's look at the Gfs Ensemble. Many of those tropical models are kind of based on the GFS. And everybody said, uh-oh, when the OZ came in last night. In fact, I'll show that to you in a minute. The blue line is the OZ, and you can see what happened. It turned it back into Virginia Beach. But most of the members of the ensemble keep it offshore, moving northeast. The mean is offshore. This is the European, and all 51 members are pretty much offshore. You got one straggler, one outlier. But let's look at the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock. And you can see the big circulation that used to be Irma. And down below that, again, for North Alabama, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. The southern half of the state, bright, sunny, and warmer with 80s today. Tomorrow, as the ridge begins to build, everybody goes back in the 80s. The sky partly sunny, the chance of a shower small, most everybody dry. Same thing Friday, lots of sun. The chance of a shower tiny. We pretty much can take that out. Highs in the mid-80s. Great night for high school football. This is Saturday. And again, the chance of a shower, very small. Maybe a few scattered ones down in South Alabama, but even there, probably not many. You can see Jose to the east. This is Sunday. Again, pretty much warm and dry. You got Jose off the Atlantic coast. Go to Monday. Again, for us, we're dry, but next week looks mostly warm and dry, but you can see that the GFS, then again, just this one, deterministic run here tries to bring it back. Tuesday, it's 947 millibars around the Outer Banks, and this is a week from today, Wednesday. Big cold trough in the west, ridging in the east, and Jose is hugging the coast. But the GFS tries to kiss it off the Outer Banks, but again, for now, this is an outlier. Let's check the European. This is for the same time. This is Wednesday of next week, and it's farther offshore. And again, down here, we got some moisture, a few scattered showers, no big deal. Let's go to the end of the forecast period. This is Friday, September 22nd, Friday of next week. And the euro keeps that thing kind of dangerously close on this operational run. So we can't write Jose off just yet as one that goes out to the North Atlantic. We'll see. After today, highs go back in the 80s and lows should be in the 60s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.
AC broken? Just call KS Services Heating and Air. All Bryant energy-efficient systems come with a 5-year labor warranty, and our fair price guarantee means that we'll always give you 3 quotes for every situation. Just call KS Services Heating and Air today.